Hi guys, today we are going to see a makeup look inspired by the Anupama character of the famous Indian show Anupama, which I like to watch from time to time. And this is going to be a simple everyday type makeup look with neutral tones, an easy and quick look for busy and hardworking women and mothers like Anupama. So let's get started, jaldi. First, I'm gonna apply some moisturizer to my face as a primer, and I'm using Ambreolis. So this is going to be a natural look, and here I was explaining that it will be an everyday type of makeup look. I'm gonna apply some liquid foundation using a flat kabuki brush, and here I'm using Revlon Color Stay foundation. And then I'm applying concealer under my eyes using my fingers, and then setting the concealer with some Laura Mercier translucent finishing powder. And then again, here I was explaining that I'm gonna use some neutral eyeshadow shades and just eyeliner, mascara, blush and the colored lip balm, and that this will be an easy and quick makeup look suitable for everyday use. Then I'm applying some face powder to fix my foundation. And then, as you will see, I'm gonna define my eyebrows using an eyebrow pencil with a slim tip from MAC. And then I'm lining my upper and lower lash line using a dark brown eye pencil, which is a kajal type of pencil, soft and easy to smudge. And then I'm gonna blend it out with my finger to make it more natural. After that, I'm gonna use a brown eyeshadow and apply it on my eyelids to give a soft smoky eye effect. And then I'm gonna use a black eye pencil and apply it to my waterline. Then I'm using a matte soft brown shade to my crease as a transition color. And finally, I'm gonna complete my eye look using my all-time favorite mascara, which is the Hypnose Drama by Lancome. After that, I'm lining my lips using Wear Lip Pencil by MAC and applying some colored lip balm using a synthetic eyeshadow brush. And then I finished off with some peach toned blush that I applied to my cheeks. And at the time I was recording this look, I didn't have any bindis, so I just made one using two red toned lip pencils. And voila! Makeup's ready. And here I'm wearing some red jhumkiyas that match with my sari and blouse to complete the look. And then I'm gonna braid my hair, and I used some hair extensions here to make my hair longer. And then I'm wearing my red bangles and taking my lovely Gujarati style bag, and I'm ready. And before I finish this video, मैं सभी औरतों को याद दिलाना चाहती हूँ कि आप स्ट्रॉन्ग है, आप स्मार्ट है और आप जैसे है वैसे ही खूबसूरत है। आप इस दुनिया के सभी प्यार के लायक है, इसे कभी ना भूलें और पानी पीना भी ना भूलें। Thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you like what you saw, consider subscribing to my channel. Love you all. See you in the next one.